In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of people into your contacts module using the built-in import tool. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho CRM account and that you have permission to import data. It also helps to have your contact list saved as a clean spreadsheet or CSV file with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. Keeping your headers tidy will make the import smoother and reduce the chance of mismatched data. Let's get started. Begin on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all modules and settings. From here, head straight to the Contacts module. You'll find it on the top navigation bar. Opening Contacts ensures the system knows you want to import into this specific module, not leads or accounts. Once you're inside the Contacts module, look toward the top right area where you usually create new entries. Instead of clicking the standard Create button, open the Create Contact drop-down. This is important because the import option lives inside this menu, and it's the fastest route to bring in a batch of records at once. In that drop-down, choose Import Contacts. You're now in the import workspace where Zoho CRM will guide you through uploading your file and confirming your choices. On this screen, click Browse to locate the file on your computer. A quick tip here: confirm your file uses one row per contact and that each column has a unique purpose, such as a dedicated column for email addresses. If you have empty columns or mixed content in a single column, consider cleaning that up before proceeding to avoid confusion during the import. After clicking Browse, select your file from your folders. Double-check that you're choosing the correct, most up-to-date version, especially if your team maintains multiple drafts. Once your file is selected, you'll return to the import screen and see the file name listed. Next, click Next to proceed. Zoho will read your file and prepare it for import. Depending on your plan and settings, you may see a quick preview where fields are lined up. Take a moment to ensure that key columns like email or phone are recognized correctly. If anything looks off, cancel and tidy your file rather than importing messy data. When you're comfortable, click Next again to move forward. This step confirms your choices and gets you ready to start the import job. Typically, you'll see a brief summary of what's about to happen, such as how many columns were detected and how many rows are queued. Before launching the import, you'll see an I confirm checkbox. Tick this box to acknowledge that you're intentionally importing data into contacts and that you understand how the system will handle these records. This is Zoho's safeguard to help prevent accidental uploads or changes. Now click Finish to start the import. Zoho CRM will begin processing your file in the background. The time it takes can vary based on file size and the number of rows, so larger lists may take longer. You'll usually get a status message once the job is initiated. Finally, click OK on the confirmation prompt. This closes the import dialog and returns you to the Contacts module. At this point, the system may still be working. It might take a few minutes for all contacts to appear. That's normal. When the import completes, your new contacts will populate the list view in Contacts. That's the full process from start to finish. Go to Contacts, open the Create Contact dropdown, choose Import Contacts, browse for your file, select it, proceed through the next screens, confirm, finish, and acknowledge the prompt. Keep your source file clean, use consistent headers, and verify your key fields before you finalize. With these steps, you'll keep your database accurate and get your contacts into Zoho CRM quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.